Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day here. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we are at the Elk Expo 2025 here in Benezet, PA. Set up at Mill Creek Valley Game Calls stand. We're going to be here all weekend selling calls, promoting Mill Creek, the channel, and stuff like that. It's going to be a good time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
It's Benny.
How's it going?
Hey, Benny. A little rainy.
A little bit.
But we're good. We're good. Thanks for stopping, Benny. Yeah. But the regular box calls, these ones are just... These ones are 70.
Yeah. And then Elk Expo, just like our Mr. November.
And these are some of the prettiest ones I've ever done. Look at the figuring in that bloodwood. You don't get that on, yeah. But that was the group of the box calls that I did that only had that figuring and I brought them for the show, yeah. I like to bring the prettier ones to the show.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Because they sell more. This one doesn't have the figuring as much.
No,
A little bit, but this one's all
bro? Alright guys, we're heading to the junior elk calling competition. We're going to check this out. There's a young man in here that's using Mill Creek calls, so we're really hoping he wins, but let's check this contest out.
I'm just going to come right over here, and of course the judges are behind this screen here, and I'm going to, when I'm ready, I'm going to ask you to do a series. So this is youth division contestant number 1, judges, and you're going to have 30 seconds to do cow and calf calls, okay? You might want to face them. It's totally up to you, all right? Are you ready? All right, contestant number 1, youth division, go ahead, cow and calf calls. All right, thank you. Those contestant number one, Colin Campbell. We're still on contestant number one, and this is going to be bull calls. You have 30 seconds whenever you're ready. Thank you. All right, thanks. Contestant number one for the youth division. All right, contestant number two for the youth division.
Great.
Okay, judges, this is youth division, contestant number two. You're going to start when I tell you, and you're going to have 30 seconds for cow and calf calls. Okay? Whenever you're ready, go ahead. Pretty close. Okay. We have first place with 94 points, hailing from Kingsville, Maryland. Ray Doherty, come on up, buddy. So, I gotta tell you a little story. This fella, when did you start doing this?
This is his 4th year.
This is his 4th year, okay? So I remember when he was about this tall. Anyways, up until this year, no call. No call, just voice. That's impressive. I tell you what, and he won 2 years just using his voice. So, Braden, congratulations once again. I'll get you up here for your prizes, okay, once we announce all the winners. All right, thank you. Congratulations. Okay. In second place with 92 points.
All right, guys, well, that's it for the youth calling competition. Another win for Mill Creek. That young man did an amazing job. All the kids did, really. But it's another win for the team. We're going to enjoy this Elk Expo a little bit more.
The man, the myth, the legend.
God, or
Look at that. That is awesome. No nervousness, huh? You just flawless, right? Good job, buddy. Good job.
the guy that won the adult said, I'm glad he wasn't in the adult class.
Is that what he said? Hey, don't get him in there. All right, let's take a picture in front of the booth here, and we let you guys get rolling. Come over down here, Rich.
Yeah, I can't stand it. I'd rather.
All right, guys, we're packing up for the first day. We're gonna head back to the cabin, get some rest. We'll see you guys in the morning for day 2. Good morning, y'all. Second day here at the Elk Expo in Benezet. We're posted up once again. Sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the rest of the day. All All right, guys, well, that's it for today's video. We had a great time out here at the Elk Expo. Saw some friends, Tipsy Rippers, Big Tiny, made some new friends. If you're one of the ones that we met here and you just subscribed, drop a comment below. It was great meeting all y'all. We'll see you again here next year. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and TikTok. We'll have videos every week. Thanks for watching. Love you. See you later.